Hi, friend. This is Dr. Apoor Mehra, and thank you very much for the suggestions you have given. And I think the most pertinent suggestion that I got was there is an air which is very, very gloomy right now. And being a healthcare professional into practice and being involved with the COVID patients, their care, and their families. The biggest fight right now is not the disease itself, but is the mental block people are going through. You know, I happened to speak to an old lady at the age of 92, COVID positive with symptoms. And I asked her, "How are you feeling?" She said, "In my long life, I have seen a lot of diseases. And whatever will happen, will happen." And she said, "I just wish I get my taste back so that I can enjoy my sweets." A life filled with scars of 92 years teaches you that do not give weightage to things beyond they deserve. Do not start getting into it. Seeing multiple videos, sharing multiple videos, and multiple negative posts should stop. Is it taking you anywhere? Is it helping you, your family, or any patient? No, it is not. We all know that COVID is there, right? And for last 15 months, we have lost more doctors than the security personnel on the borders. But the biggest protector, apart from the doctors and the healthcare workers, has been the N95 mask. Wear the mask because it will for sure protect you, save you, and your family. Get your vaccination done. There are very few cases where properly vaccinated patients have very severe disease. Look, I'm not saying that there's 100% protection, but then there is a probability of decent protection. So why not to take it? Spread positivity. Talk to people, counsel them, explain them, request them to wear mask, have social distancing, maintain sanitization of the hands, keep washing the hands, avoid going out of the house. We are human beings. We are supposed to be the most intellectual creature. Behave like one. We must also be very brave here. ये तो कहीं नहीं लिखा कि हम हारेंगे नहीं, बट राइट दिस डाउन कि हम हार मानेंगे नहीं. We might lose a small battle, but we have to win the war. And we must fight it very brave. जो दिए आंधियों से लड़ते हैं उन्हीं के जिक्र होते हैं. So fight it out. Go out. Maybe I will not win. Maybe you also will not win. But we will win. Together we can win. And what will stop us? The only thing that can stop us is we are careless. We are not understanding the gravity. But thinking that मैं तो गया या ये तो गया will make you meet your fears. Fight it brave. Stop working non-scientific. If you have symptoms, get yourself tested. If you have chest symptoms, get your HRCT of the chest done. Take medicines. Whatever are not available in the market, what are available, keep taking them. I'm sure your family members or your close ones will keep on arranging the drugs which are there. Request from everybody. If you have the drug stocks, let them go to the patients at an optimum cost. And I believe that our government will also look into it, that the important drugs like Fabiflu, like Remdesivir, like Tocilizumab, all these are available. But then there is no point in storing them if you have it. Let them go to the patients who deserve it. Patients requiring hospitalization. And if they are getting hospital beds, you should not be stopping it. Go get admitted. If not, the care at home services by many hospitals have rescued a lot of my close relatives. Avail it. Act. Don't keep sitting. And friends, if there is somebody in your family who's got affected or is seriously affected, maintain a positive frame of mind. You can't lose on your mind. You live your life between these 2 years. Don't lose it here. Go for the scientific things. I know there's a lot of criticism about elections going on, but I'm sure the good sense will prevail. At least you as a human being can just stay home and stay safe. I have shared previously also, don't think you're immune. The disease affects all the IQ levels. It affects all the economic stratas, all the social caste. Do not think that you're immune. Friends, ये तो पता नहीं क्या होगा, बट अगर हम सोचेंगे अच्छा होगा तो अच्छा ही होगा. छोटे मोटे टाइम हम हार सकते हैं, बट हमें हार माननी नहीं है. वी हैव टू कीप फाइटिंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच.